Hey guys, so we are hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my latest video. In this video, we'll go over a post done by Sachin Pandey on Twitter, commonly known as nowadays known as X, platform X. So here it's written. Basically, it's about swapping variables. Like we're using just two variables, you need to swap their values without using a other temporary variable. Just using the two variables, like swiping the values like this. Like if A has 10 and B has 20, then after swiping, A should become 20 and B should become 10 without actually hard codingly actually typing later on A equal to 10 or B equal to 20, like swiping the values using code. So according to this post, it is like, you can do is basically how kids swap and how legends swap. In the kid swap, you will have simple arithmetic operations like plus, minus, and all. But in how legend swap, there is x ki power y, y ki power x, x ki power y, something like that. So will it both bring same results? We'll check that out. For that, I'll be using Visual Studio Code for now. So we'll use Visual Studio, VS Code. We'll wait for VS Code to open up. So here VS Code opens up and okay, let's close all of this. Let's start a new file. Okay, I will name it as new file. Okay, we'll use camel guessing. File.js and we'll save it. Save it. Now you'll use strict mode. Use strict. So it basically helps us prevent future bugs and errors. Anyways, so here we'll use how kids swap. So in this we will so basically this is the code how kids swaps. So before actually typing the code, we must declare the variables. So will always the good practice to use let and cost keyword rather than var keyword. Let and cost are ES6 updations. So it really helps us prevent some future bugs and errors. So we'll declare let and we'll declare x is equals to, we'll assign it a values that say 10. Yeah, and we'll declare, can assign the value later also even after declaring, but we'll set y and y equals 20. So now if you console.log x comma y, and now, so if you console.x, the x should come 10 and y should come 20. So it should be 10 comma 20. But let's see what happens. So in terminal, okay, we don't know how to do. Control-Shift-D, if you press, so it will start running and debugging. So you're using Node.js to debug and run. So we got 10 and 20. So you got the output 10 and 20. Okay, basically all of this these are things which I'm doing on the Visual Studio. You can do it on online compiler as well. Like just go to Google and type online JavaScript compiler or anything. It will basically do the work. So we get the output 10 and 20. Okay, it executed cool X and expected. Now we will be typing our code. Basically we'll be pasting our code here. So swapping code down. Oh sorry, mistake is there. WTB over, yes. No. Swapping spelling is not. What the fuck? Swapping, yeah, as I told you. Swapping. So run and debug. So when you run and debug, so where the heck did it go? Yeah. So we get 20 and 10. So basically our values are swapped. So this is how kids do. So we'll do the legends way. So we'll basically comment out the entire part like this. Commenting out is quite easy like this and do this. Now how legends swap. So now, let's copy this. Copy pasting is not a good practice to do. So how legends legends swap. Okay, so paste it. Now let's see if it works or not. So for now, we'll not even make this code work. We'll just comment this out and yeah, we'll just try to run it. Okay, but did run, I guess. Let's see. So it's showing 10 and 20 because we have not swapped anything. We have just declared them. So let's uncomment it and make this code work. So we'll save it, saved it, and we'll run it again, run and debug. And let's see. Yes, it did swap. Cool. So in order to check if it works or not, we will copy this very code above us. If we get both of these codes are working or not, let's see. Run and debug. Wait, and what the heck? So something happened. Okay, why it is showing -10? No, values are 10. Anyways, we'll go to another later on. So basically the values are swapped. I shouldn't have used it twice. Oh, get it. Operations have been performed twice on it. So because of, no, not because of that. You need to uncomment the code. Now let's try to run it again. Yes, the values are getting swapped perfectly. So you see, I shouldn't have done this. Basically what's happening, initially the values are 10 and 20, it gets swapped to 20 and 10. Now same 20 and 10 are getting swapped and becoming 10 and 20 later on. So you can see that it is working, right? Yeah, it is working. Yeah, it is working. So that both the code are working, so we'll give it a thumbs up. We'll go here and give it a big thumbs up. It works. It works.